Only obi ware wo mam yedu. Na montam tete. Ah. Ya ni di da ban ya ware wo para yedu. Oh. Ena ya tamata tete. Ana ha so folk makofa no. Makofa na. Mo se munim ni chai. Anya possible. What do I say? The catcher you should say. I feel no aba. Only about because a bear do man. Anya kasa. A juma. What do I say? Say next time. Who pay no budget bag?
Complaining bitterly about officiating. Almost clear goal referee. Who's I going to say?
Yakran on my share. Referee is here, pa. Hey. Ah, clear penalty. One. Clear penalty. Watch no cry. If you not a ball, referee nine. Has what boy ya musu. I caught that one bobo. Last man, I put down a flag bear 5 days. As I know, yeah, you was that flag is the defenders of Paris. Someone was that last one up a flag in the data. It has close the power. I want to say, I would go, yes, I had yet. Oh, I just said, Bonnie, you didn't say any outsider. I got the open trouble. What does it? You should understand certain things in football. Wow, Pebiano, also on football, yeah. Go back and watch the clip. What about her body? Ball now, boy. Over incidents, let's see it. House for now, almost be on the car. Almost no material. Never got us and never ahead of our class. All departments. There was such a house. Young mom and the other one go pay. I'm telling you. Yes. And then there was like a shot therefore. Oh, one banana. Clear penalty. Play on the channel. One. Sorry, Tony. One channel. Who's up on the side? Upon the side 18 my day. Upon the side 18 my day. Come on. The catcher issue said, I'm going to pass. I am my way. Oh, my, over to a cat. My Ubama was a different. What I said, the catcher issue. On your butter. Every man I have from all. I get Casa. It's all here throughout the week. I'm passing my Casa with you. But I'm going to say, I can't sports stadium. And found only the basic house of food. And both I say in Nusa. And Emia. You can clap on at your man. Clap on at play on the channel. What's a ball? Now, Ghana referees mentor must say. Mentor Ghana referees, I say. Saying a clap on at what the cat about between you. No. Brony be no be na to ya onye. You can clap on at 200. Let me come out and say. And all departments of the game. Papa is a half of a class of food. The catch on my side, believe your money. Why, you know, mommy. You got in my house of food for the fire now. I was only in the child. I'll buy it now too. Whatever 10 pounds in the child. And not possible. They say, you better boy work. You better boy look on. Eh? I can't pass the room. Never. You better have food. Top form, because I need the preseason. I'm sure about what I'm saying. I'm not breaking this. Last 12 matches. What I say? Referee was this protocol. The second record district was this protocol. They deserve second goal. Because defender. Your man go up for you. You was the last man up against her. this one does not form. I know myself. Now, look at Samba. Everything I want, we have a was it. Never. At the end of all, that's what I put out flag. It's no one. And I'm a footballer. I'm not possible. It may catch a use himself. I can't tell you himself. I feel what I do man have a call. So I was said, oh, what Panadia? What the contribution has to food? Well, I have to add. My man said, when you only hear plan, oh, I'm upset. Next time, who can you about
as NCC with our class. And then I'm going to go high into Mudim Sato House.
They as a players in the technical team, they are doing all the work. Yeah, the LC have prepared grounds. You have a bonfire. They are making sure some mobile, Masitinamu, maybe on mobile down some mobile, we are home. And they will try say, and they might be on here, be on money, your Montonto. You have a bomb who by said, or time for the game, we have to form a far parky, some more that's some mobile muscle. And I'm saying, here, the here and say about born and then I'm better as well. Football is not about side, it's about preparation and it's psychological. We are prepared or more and more winning games. How did know some now man comfort and after pretty much winning their money when I'm crying near Pamo Fiaco. At the end of the day, come and start the people from here. It's a better BBRC. I mean, not get a car with Nasakas Council. As a customer message and I'm now, so at least 4 no chair. The near home or no my. At the end of the day, they are comedy me. It's a dear near Fishano, and the woman asked it has that will be.
But of course, yes, to lose in this season. Are you confirming your superiority, saying move far this season? So I can say the last season, we perform here in Africa.
Well, we are taking match after match, and I think we need to take our time. There were standing games we were seeing, and the way we arrange our standing games, I am looking at the way our technical handlers, manage players. Now at the end of the day, I see it. We bought a Sunday match in Snaka. If we are, then you must say we have a catch-up problem.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Where do you come from?
I'm Farid. I come from Ghana.
You are from Ghana?
Yes, Ghanaian.
So you are supporter?
Kotoko supporter, yes.
How was the game to you after the
Beautiful game. Charlie, everything someday inside. Goals, controversy, excitement, drama.
Is it your first time watching?
First time coming to stadium to watch, yes. Yes, at the stadium, yes.
How do you feel the Ghana players, the Ghana league?
It's very good. Honestly, it's underrated. I think maybe the quality final balls are a bit lacking, but I think it adds to the drama and the excitement. There were some good comical moments here and there, but overall, I think it was an excellent match.
So the Ghana league is underrated?
Very underrated, yes.
Wow.
Yes.
So the players of Asante Kotoko that you feel that he plays so well today.
You know what? This is a weird one here, but the goalkeeper of Kotoko, I mean, despite the fact that he didn't have much to do, I think he was very assured, very commanding. I think he also set the tone for the Kotoko back line to be able to keep the Hearts of Oak players out. It was a good performance of him. And also the winger, what's his name? But that winger who got the penalty. Hey, boss, that guy the boss, wow, that guy the boss.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir, thank you.
But they say, Omunya, yes, Omunya.
Yes, Libya. They say salary in your office. That means Omo Simon has salary.
Yeah, the car. I don't know, say the car. But me catch the ball, they say, Omunya, yes, already, Omunya, Emma place. That's all. That's all.
Because referee the ball the hey na ball it was someone who hey when for the baby out sanka fa baby na ka we say papa atemechi odi so what you say for the baby hey two big clouds and the ball back place na go five go wherever o ma she go we say outside it's the beer ka say e go it's next time we have to just we have we make just cast over the table. Obi and you over. You do not be no ever pack with you. Say fan, say about maybe India, Obi and you over pack with. But they just say for the more. For the couple more in there, you can't be complaining about now. As players move on then yeah. As players move on.
One, the referee come home and son I got to attend.
One more. Yeah, okay, as also referee. The whole council support referee. Who never we have to know what very say outside. Last man who come up present flag. Into all referee. They will say off. Who referee last man when they will say off. Last man who present flag. Last man come up present the flag. The referee say outside. I say me no catch it. Maybe for how we play. I don't ball over. Ball over. Ball over. Who can say because every this all the time. Ball no head far below. Far the money can say because we play. To be honest, you ball fit to China. I still know. I say Babu play still now. Go forward. Come near ball and can professional player as a professional player when you ball. Just ask coach me say course in part training or job I don't know. Because when you ball, players here push up. I didn't know so you make cut it have a back. No I pass it ball. Omunya na boom. When we play. Apart from Kwesiasma, Onuka minim na ti coach na starting. Minim we play tam already be we there. Three of it about to say confidence e wo honu. So what you say? But it about now kita all confidence. It is a place also for Umamubo ball this. What the number 5 minutes. Now over there. Over the ball move. Yes, thinking now so we come over here.
Another maniac. Now, men or born, may how you say, so much we get a better war. I can score now. No, you really, I can go to Cabaya more. Miss Rocco to company for us. Somebody, I'm not to have it. Somebody, Miss Yakram, no, I'm not for my son, but not some band. And the boss, some upon Obia who say, yeah, say somebody can hear now. I can't be here no Black Stars. Now, on your guy, you're fat. Yes, no, I'm not on the board. You mess on my end. Now, as if I make a cut on myself. Send up and crowd to work with the community. Really, I'm to my you share 10 times. You ever saw me? I'm so much at for no. Yeah, and yet, you are my Fabu, any size, no size.
Oh, make I say kudos to Koroko. They came, they saw, they conquered. No two ways about that. But then, Arehoka Kraba. See, how on earth was Koroko penalty? No, how was it a penalty? No problem. What is a penalty? No, but then, to me, it wasn't a penalty. It wasn't a penalty. Yeah, very be a soft penalty though, but this was not a penalty. And no penalty at all. But then, Koroko took the advantage in the score. And no penalty. But it was awarded. Before this match, when the referee was appointed, no, we raised concerns that this referee has not been fair to House of Hope. Since Adam, so long a time, he has not been fair to House of Hope. And we don't want him to officiate this match. Yet, GFA turned a deaf ear to this. Look at what he has done. How can you tell us, say, this was an offside? A player in between two defenders. Chase the ball, clears the ball into the net. And you are telling me, say, it was an offside. How? How do you explain this to me? No, that's why I'm saying that it wasn't an offside. Alright? It is something cooked already in Yakasi. This referee is not favoring House of Hope. He's not helping House of Hope. Whether we score or we don't score, all these fouls are going against House of Hope. We don't know why. About 5 good matches. Red card. This is how it goes. Why? TFA, Moment trying to say, TFA case. Is this a care you are telling us? Is this the care they are telling us? TFA case. You care what we tell you that this referee is not good for this particular match, yet you don't listen to us. You continue to allow this referee to officiate and bring this one to this thing. Why GFA? General performance of House of Folk. You see, House of Folk started on a very calm manner, alright, slow pace. But getting to the latter part, they grew stronger. You see, as a folk left back, Ransford Mensah, he wasn't good at all. To me, I don't know. He wasn't good. It doesn't take anything from her scoring. As a folk performance, it doesn't take the fact that we scored a goal. All right? The performance as a folk, I'm saying it. But it doesn't take anything from the goal has to first score. At all. What he says. What he says.
What do you mean? That's all. Everyone was saying, what can referee say? Who will I say after the house right back in the area? Now, referee number 2. Referee number 2, that's all. I never got that all, and I'm making my game in the also, almost at this agenda way from you. I say, referee to a squad. Let's say, setting one lady, just a friend of Fia, and one of the radio stations said, Dr. Christopher Damana, protocol presence manager, on the referee in the squad. Dr. Christopher Damana on Tiasqua. A crown of tear. One of them, obtain Robertina set agenda, and the protocol presence director. I never call me and cross it. Protocol presence director, what to find only form of corporate. It's never international for this agenda and say, protocol presence director on the referee in the tear. And what do fear be at the referee so? Can referee be awarded you? Okay, so referee to Kwasia. Last month, 2 last month for any fun of war. I'm not thinking, I say, it's your best house of folk for your show. Did it my man, Oko as a folk training cancer? Was so close to the best at your own cook? Ah, what's so close to the baby? I don't want training cancer. I don't want trouble. What treasure? There be a man, Kazaria the man that you might have. Nothing in the money, I'm working my what type of driver? Or driver, and I ask coach. I didn't know. Mr. Coach, yeah. I am telling you, unfortunately, don't you show that. Unfortunately. How do you see the match? Unfortunately, did the man from Paul Manso Kebi, Michael Sawayan Baby Kebi. Unfortunately, Coach, be able to say, one interview, I don't know. How do you see the match? Unfortunately, did the man of Kebi, Gazali Kebi, it's got for your show. But I also of the train of mine, I'm not here. Last one, it's not so. I think to me, more. Come, your friend said, I'm number 5 for the friend said. As you baby, maybe I'm still tired here. Officer Donzo, so I active as you make 1 year 2 rows. It's your best house of folk for them. Now we almost set to my agenda for our family before. Christopher, dear, or your agenda for months. We are living unfortunately. David, I mean, I can't tell you. What interview? How do you see the match also, unfortunately?
Yeah, I said we said. And again, once again, protocol. Now say your superiority over House of Folk. And your best fashion with that. Which is very clear. I'm on your level. So what you say? I say if I ahead of House of Folk in terms of BPM. When it comes to technical, Sito, or your head of leading. So what you say? When it comes to player, you will be just here to vote. It is a show of what? And what? So what you say? I know what? All right. Let us vote. I'm sorry. I'm a side to open away. I'm a side to open away. I'm a side to see a session. Referee, what? And when I'm going to am I lucky? Because clear penalty, first of 1 day, outside go, I don't want to protect you. What do you mean, sir? What are you doing? I can't tell you. All right.